The Holy Prophet ﷺ enjoyed gratitude for even the smallest of matters. He said that it pleases God whenever a person expresses gratitude for every morsel they eat and every sip they drink. On the day of the conquest of Mecca, the Holy Prophet ﷺ went to his cousin Hani's home. He was hungry and asked if she had anything to eat. She only had dried bread, but expressed her embarrassment at presenting that before the Holy Prophet ﷺ. However, the Holy Prophet ﷺ said to bring the stale bread, which he dipped in water and ate. Hazrat Mirza Bashiruddin Mahmud Ahmad radiyallahu anhu, the second caliph of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community, who had said that today people cannot bring themselves to wear torn clothes. Yet, if the Holy Prophet ﷺ's companions received even torn clothes, their heads would bow in gratitude. Similarly, today whenever some food is presented, some people often wish that they had something else that they would have liked to eat. Yet, if the companions of the Holy Prophet ﷺ received even stale bread to eat, they would continuously express their gratitude to God. This spirit of gratitude is something which everyone should adopt, and in particular those who are life devotees. They should be grateful for whatever little means they may have, and they should adopt and elevate the standards of their own gratitude as well as their wives and their children. The Holy Prophet ﷺ once said, "For those of you who received a favor should either return the favor or as a minimum recount the favors, as this will lead to gratitude." The Holy Prophet ﷺ said that he had no better wife than Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu anha, because she accepted him when others rejected him, and when others rejected him, she spoke in his favor, and when others deprived him of their wealth, she gave him her wealth, and God granted him progeny through her, something which he did not have from any other wife. Thus, the Holy Prophet ﷺ showed gratitude for Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu anha throughout his life, long after she had passed away. When the Muslims were facing grave persecution in Mecca, some of them migrated to Abyssinia, where the king granted them refuge. The Holy Prophet ﷺ always remembered this favor done by King Negus and expressed gratitude for it whenever he could. Once, when Negus' delegation came to visit him, the Holy Prophet ﷺ stood to greet them. The companions said that they could receive the delegation. However, the Holy Prophet ﷺ said that Negus had done a great favor upon the Muslims, and he wished to personally return this favor. It was out of this same spirit of gratitude that the Holy Prophet ﷺ also offered his funeral prayer in absentia at the time of his passing. Once the Holy Prophet ﷺ requested some water to drink. A companion brought him some water in a vessel. There was a hair in the vessel which the companion took out before presenting the water to the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Even upon this small act, the Holy Prophet ﷺ prayed that Allah may grant this man beauty. The Holy Prophet ﷺ spared no opportunity to express gratitude. It is recorded that this companion lived a long life, and not a single hair on his head or in his beard became white as a result of the Holy Prophet ﷺ's prayer for him. The Holy Prophet ﷺ would stand at night in prayer for so long that his feet would become swollen. Seeing this, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha asked him why he did this when Allah had already protected him from all past and future sins. The Holy Prophet ﷺ replied, saying that should he not be a grateful servant? Thus, the Holy Prophet ﷺ reached the heights in becoming a grateful servant, and doing so enjoined us to do the same. In other words, to become truly grateful to God requires a true effort and progress in our worship to Him. May Allah enable everyone to become truly grateful, to become true servants of God, and those who always receive the blessings of God.